In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a new folder in Google Drive. This simple task can be a game changer when it comes to managing your digital files efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL drive.google.com. This will take you to the main page of Google Drive where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are stored. It's a good habit to make sure you're logged into your Google account so that you can access all your files seamlessly. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating not only folders, but also docs, sheets, and other Google files. Clicking New will present you with a drop-down menu offering several options, including creating new files or uploading existing ones from your computer. For our purpose today, we are going to click on the option labeled Folder that appears in this menu. After you click Folder, a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter a name for your new folder. This is where you let your creativity, or in many cases, your organizational skills, shine. Choose a name that clearly identifies the contents or purpose of the folder. For example, if the folder will house work documents, you might name it something like Work Projects or Company Files. If it's for personal use, something like vacation photos or recipes might be appropriate. Remember, the name is there to help you quickly identify the folder's contents later on, so be as descriptive as you need to be. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the field provided. After typing in the name, you will see an option to create or cancel. Naturally, you'll want to click Create to finalize the creation of your new folder. And just like that, you've successfully organized a new space for your files within Google Drive. It's a small step that takes less than a minute, but it can make a huge difference in keeping your digital life in order. And there you have it. You've created a new folder in Google Drive, laying the groundwork for efficient file management. This folder will now appear in your drive, ready for you to fill with important documents or cherished memories. Repeat these steps as needed to create as many folders as you like, and watch your productivity soar as your digital workspace becomes more organized. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Google Drive.